Right, guys, welcome to day 20 of the ICT Games Daily Dollop of Maths, keeping the math skills bubbling over for year 1 and 2 while we can't be in school. Again, there's a printout for this one today. I've got the ruler again there, just so that the sizes match, because your printer might print out different sizes. You've got some lines to measure. You've got a table, a grid to put the answers to how long the lines are in there. You've got some spaceships to measure, and you've got a game where you play Connect 4. Okay, so here we go. So that's something you can download, and it's in the box below the video. And then we're going to start with some counting. We're going to count backwards in ones, starting from this number. Can you say that number? Did your partner say that number? That's it. 109, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. What's the next one? 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. What's the next number? What's one less than 80? 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. Right, stop there. Okay, let's have a look. Now, we're going to do the same thing again, but this time, let me just clear it all. Let's go back to a number square that starts at 0. Okay, and this time we're going to count in twos. Here we go. It's going to be counting in twos. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Sorry, that's my dog. Right. Okay. Now, okay, dokes. Now that's quite easy, and year ones should be getting really good at that now. Year twos, that will be super easy for you. But something I want to highlight is something else we need to know in year 1 and year 2 is odd and even numbers. Now if I just clear it all, any even number ends in a number like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it's even if its units digit has a 0 on the end. It's even if its units digit is a 2, if its ones digit is a 2. So all of these are even. It's even if it ends with a 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any of these numbers make them even. If it ends in a 6, it's even. If it ends in an 8, it's even. So what I do is I just remember 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and if I need to work out if a number's odd or even, I just think, oh, has he got 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 on the end, and then I know if it's even. If I'm not sure, if it doesn't have one of those on, then it's got to be the other choice, which is odd. So if it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it's odd. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to whoosh this all the way up to really big numbers. Okay, I'm going to hide it all and pick a number. Right, that one, 174, it ends in a 4. 4 is in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so it's even. I could even means I could share it between two people, and we'd both have the same amount. Let's have a look at this one. 168. It ends in an 8. The units digit is an 8. Odd or even? Yeah, well done, guys. Even, because it's in the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's in my counting in twos. That's even. Try this one. What's that number? Anybody say 14? No, it's 140. Well done. 140. Odd or even? Yeah, even, because it's got a 0 on the end. What's that number? Yeah, 141. Odd or even? Yeah, it's odd because it's not got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on the end, which must mean it's the other thing, which is odd. Odd or even? Yeah, even because it's got a 6 on the end. Odd or even? Oh, sorry, let's say the number. What's the number? Yeah, 195. Odd or even? Yeah, it's odd because it's not got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on the end on this units digit. Odd or even? Yeah, it's even because it's got 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 on the end. It's got a 2 on the end. 162 has got a 2 on the end. Okay. So now let's have a look. Let's go to our next thing. Right. Now, year ones, you should be... this is sort of... might be new learning for you. We did it last time. We're looking at using our counting in twos. Year twos, you really need to know your twos, your 2 times table by the end of the year. So this isn't new to you. And can you remember what this thing was called? What was this thing called? Turn to partner. Yeah, an array. My turn, array. Your turn. My turn, array. Your turn. Yeah, an array. Okay. Okie dokes. Now, let's have a look. So, here we go. We've got 2 here. There's 2. And we've got it lots of times. There's 2. Time number 1. Time number 2. Time number 3. Time number 4. Time number 5. Time number 6. 2, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Now we just need year twos. You definitely need to just know that fact by heart pretty soon. So if you're not sure yet, there's a nice activity at the end of this session that you can have a go at. Okay. Now, what else do we know? If we know 2 times 6 is 12, we can turn it the other way. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's 12 as well. Can you remember why? It's the commutative law. That's right. So 6 times 2 is 12, and 2 times 6 is 12. Let's try another one. Let's try 2 times 9. Okie dokes. 2 times 9. Okay. Anybody know what that's going to be? 2 times 9. It's also double 9. So here's 2. Let's find out how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. Let's find out how much there is. It's counting twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So there's 18 there. 2 times 9 is 18. What else do we know? 2 times 9 is 18, and also 9 times 2 is 18. Let's just check there's 9. What I'm going to do is I know that 9 is made out of 3 threes. There's a 3 there. There's a 3 there. There's a 3. Oh, right, yeah, that's definitely 9. I'm trying to visualise rather than count that that's 9. Okay, so it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, we've got 18. So 2 times 9 and 9 times 2 are both 18. It's the commutative law. Super job. Let's try another one. One more. 2 times... let's have a look. Let's try 2 times 11. Whoa. Okay. So we've got 2 and we've got it 11 times. Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Did you think it was 22? Well done. Super job. And what else do we know? 2 times 11 is 22, but also 11 times 2 is 22. So I know that's going to be 11, so I'm going to start from here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 11 times 2 is 22 as well. Super job. Just going to give you a hint of something. Do you know what? I might just quickly make this easier before I give you a hint of something else. Let's just do an easier one. Right. 2 times... You know that 2 times 5 is... 2 times 5 is 10. Yeah, well done. And you know that 5 times 2 is 10. So there's 2 facts you can come up with there. But there's something else. Something over here. Do you know what that sign means? Year 1, you don't need to worry too much. This is a year 2-y thing. So year 1's just relax and watch. Year 2's, this is something we need to know. divided by, that's right, divided by, it's kind of split down the middle. It's like two people split. There we go. 2 times 5 is 10, but also 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10, there's 10 shared into piles of 2, groups of 2. That's a group of 2, 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 that's a group of 2. How many piles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 piles of 2. Super job. Put those back together again. And let's try it the other way. Right. I've got 5 times 2 is 10. But also 10 shared between 5 into piles of 5 is also 2. That's a pile of 5, and that's a pile of 5. I can make 2 piles of 5, so the answer is 2. Can you see the numbers don't change? You're using the same digits. No, the point of what I'm trying to say is, year 2s, we should be starting to get the idea that knowing your times tables helps you with lots of different facts. Okay, let's skip on. Right, okay. Now, we've got a little job for you to do. We've got year 1s on this side. 24 add 11, sorry, 24 add 41. And year 2s, can you do 38 add 18? So in a moment, you're going to pause the video and year 1s are going to write that out as a column addition, as a vertical addition. And year 2s are going to write this one out as a column addition, as a vertical addition. So pause the video now. Well done, guys. Okay, so I'm assuming you've paused the video and you've completed that one of those calculations. We'll do the year 1 first. 24 add 41. So I line up the 1s in one column and I line up the 10s in another column. 24 add 41. And then I always start with the 1s. So 4 add 1 is 5. Well done. And then 2. Oh, now it's not just 2. It means something else, doesn't it? It doesn't mean 2. It means, what does it mean? Turn to your partner. Yes, well done. It means 20. So 20 add 40. Well done. 20 add 40. Although we can think of it as 2 add 4 if you want. Is 6. So 24 add 41 is 65. Good job, year 1s. Don't worry if you got that wrong. Love your mistakes. Year 2s, here we go. 38 add 18. This one's got a tricky column. Doesn't fit in here, does it? 8 add 8. What's... Oh, you know, we did our doubles the other day. What's double 8? Yeah, 16. So what's going to happen is we're going to got a 10 here. So that's going to go into this column. Leave it hanging here for a minute. We'll write the 1 of 16 here and the 6 here. Okay, and this 30 add 10. 30 add 10 is 40. Don't leave me hanging. 50. So 38 add 18 equals 56. Good job, guys. Okay. Hit back to what we were doing before. Now, okay, let's have a look. Okay, this time we're going to read the scales on our spaceship. We've got this tiny spaceship. There we go. This time it's going to do, it's going to be doing 100 milliliters, but also the ones in the middle. What would let me just, oh, it's a shame I can't make it do it what I want. This one here would be halfway between 0 and 100. What's this one? Yeah, 50. So if this is 100 and this is 200, what's halfway between 100 and 200? It's going to be 100 and... Yeah, you write that on the table with your finger, guys. 150 chickens. No, 150 milliliters. Off we go. Woo. Send your brother to the moon. Here comes another one. Okay. Oh, what's that one? Yeah, 100 milliliters. Another one. lots in this one. What's that one? Yeah, 300 millilitres. 300 millilitres. Oh, what about that one? What's that one? Yeah, 200 millilitres. Oh, hello, got it wrong. What have I done wrong? Is that right? I thought that was right. No. 2,000 I've written there. Isn't that? That's how you spell 1,000. 2,000 millilitres. Well, that's 2 litres, isn't it? 2,000 millilitres would be 2 litres. No, that's not right. Let's clear that. Let's do 200 millilitres. There we go. Okay. One more, no more. Last one. I'll put this link at the bottom if you want to have a go afterwards. There we got. Ooh, what's that one? So we've got, it goes up this way, 400, halfway to 500, from 400, 450. That's it, well done. 450 millilitres. Okay. Now we've touched on, when we were doing this, sorry about the noise in the background, when we were doing this, we've talked about our 2 times table. When we were on the number square, we were counting in 2s. Okay. I'm just so that I'm really pushing the year 2s really in particular. I'm going to show you this game. This game is one for sharing with an adult or your brother or sister. Okay. I'm going to do the 2 times table only. And what happens is one person sits on this side of your tablet. One person sits on this side of your tablet. Okay, if you have one, or on your phone. Okay, now it's this person's go first. 2 times 5 is 10. And it goes over here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is... Oh, I got that wrong. And you see, so you're playing table tennis. The game is called Tables Tennis. So you're playing table tennis and quickly recalling your facts. So I won't play that one in front of you, but you guys can have a go at that if you fancy it, especially the year 2s, because year 2s, we need to know our 2, our 5 and our 10 times table by the end of this year. So it's a real definite one for us. Okay, now let's have a look at the printout. So I've given you the ruler that we had before, and you can cut that one and fold it up, just because printers are different, and they won't be perfect centimetres, but it'll mean that you'll be able to measure these lines without them being wrong. The difference is this time you're going to have to move the ruler about. Children, you'll be surprised how difficult some other children, not you, but other children find vertical lines really hard to measure. And if they go the way they're not comfortable, it's surprising. You'll notice. And then this is much harder. You've actually got to find the line AB, measure it, and then find line AB and here write how long AB was here. And I've put centimetres for you, so you don't have to write that bit, but you need to write the length here. And then you go, have I done BC? There's a CD. Oh dear, ignore that one. That one's not even there. You can draw your own one. Sorry. Oh, silly me. Never mind. Love your mistakes. Then when you finish that, you are a mini spaceship designer. And you have to measure the length and the height and the size of the engine and the length of the little wing. And this one's a bit tricky. This one's got something else about it. That one's going to be hard. So have a go at that one. When you finish that, you need a pencil and a paper clip. And you just flick it. You put the pencil here, and you put the paper clip. You put the pencil through the paper clip here, and you can flick the paper clip, and it goes. And whatever number you land on, say I land on 4, I can colour in this chart. What is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. So I get to colour. I colour that one in with my pencil. I'm sorry, I've done green already. That's a shame. You colour that in with your pencil, and if you get 4 in a row, then you've won. You can get 4 this way, or 4 horizontally, or 4 vertically, or 4 diagonally. Okay, so it's 4 in a row. Okay, now. Right, okay, I think that's it. So, well done today. Guys, your prize is you get a very special mug, and this special mug has a little slidery thing, a thing that you slide up and down on the side that other people don't know. Where if somebody fills your cup with your favourite juice, you can, once you've finished it, you can slide this slider back up to the top, and it fills it up again. It's a magical refillable cup. So if you get chocolate milkshake and you finish the milkshake, you can slide it back to the top and have another one. Okay, right, guys, super job. Thanks for your time today, and have a super day. Bye bye.